Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan, and today, Monday 27 November 2023, I have a few potential trade setups to discuss where I will try to get long on the New Zealand, Aussie and the pound, and short on the CAD, the US and the yen. My first pick of the day is a potential long on the S&P 500, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. The S&P 500, same as last week, we've got this big resistance level here, which becomes support, and the market just not responding that good on a very, very weak dollar. So I'm still waiting here. I'm still very bullish on the stock market. I'm still waiting for the retest here so that I can look for some bottom long reversals. Then the US Swiss, we got the US there and the Swiss much stronger. We are short on the shooting star there. We have trailed the stop loss from up there and slightly down. And yet again on the live streaming, guys, if you ever want to see what am I doing with the specific trades, you can watch the live stream every day from roughly 10 o'clock in the morning until 9 at night, GMT plus 2 times South African time. And there you'll see the stop losses and the targets. It's not all my trades, but it's all the trades that I do cover here. So I'm still looking at adding to this trade here. Yeah, we had little shooting star last night, which was perfect, but on Monday morning I won't trade. I'll only start on a Monday after 12 trading actually. But we have trailed our stop loss, and it's now time to trail yet again. You can see here we're coming down, making another new low, so I'm going to trail it now on the live stream just after this video. I'll trail it to that high plus 10 to 15 pips. I'll still calculate that when I get there. That will most likely bring us to a break even or slightly in the money, and that's what I'm after. But I'm also eager taking another short position because I didn't take a full position here. So I'm still eager taking another short position on a retest there, the US Swiss. So I'm fine with that. So let's hope for the best there, but later today, maybe later this week even. In the New Zealand US, we still have this open trade here and the trade there. We went long here, got a T1 there, first target. We closed the initial half of that position. We've trailed the stop loss. We added back into the trade here. And now we're running. I keep missing this target. I've missed it there. I've missed it there again. All right, it's pushing. New Zealand losing a little bit of its sparkle. Over the weekend, it's number one, now number two, but it's fighting with the Aussie to be number one. Pound early this morning took all the sparkle, but I see it selling off now. So seems like the New Zealand Australian dollar is the same two strong ones that we have over the past 2 weeks. So I'm very happy with this. As long as I can get target, we have set targets. And again, if you want to see my levels, the live stream, guys, runs the whole day. So on a retracement here, I'll still watch this level, but I'll do a fresh analysis. For now, I just want to focus on the trade. Then on the pound US, the pound running up the page very nicely, drawing in the Fibonacci back to the 61% Fibonacci. This market structure here, I'm interested in going long pound US, so good for longs. Then the Euro CAD, we've got the Euro way stronger than the CAD, so I'm still looking for longs, but I find this funny odd bottom here, double top there. So not a pattern real, I call it a double top, but just a resistance level there. So I would like to see a break and a retest. I first didn't want to put this on my list for today, but then I see I don't have enough to watch, so I thought, okay, let's put this up. I got the resistance level. It tested 1, 2, 3 times. If it now breaks, it comes back, very nice bottom reversal pattern, can then get me to go long there. Remember, the Euro is much stronger than the CAD, so it is a long position in that direction I want to take. In the Aussie Yen, I would like to see the retracement back to this market structure at 61%. Aussie there, Yen much weaker, so I'm fine with longs here. New Zealand Yen, the same setup. Remember, Aussie and New Zealand mostly do the same thing, especially when they're so close to each other there. A retracement here will get me interested. Don't think it's going to happen today, but maybe tomorrow. But I'm still interested in New Zealand Yen, and I want to be long there. In the Dow Jones, also same as the S&P 500, just not as clear as the S&P 500, but I'm still good for the retracement back down here. Dollar very weak, which is stock market bullish. I would love to see a test here again where I can take my long. Then the pound yen, big swing here. If it comes back to this market structure between 50 and 61%, pound yen, I'm good with that. So when it gets there, I'll look for some bottom pattern reversals. Then the Euro US, we still have the triangle I've identified last week. We saw the break, but not the retest. So on my mentoring group, a lot of people took this long on the breakout, but the retest here, the 61% FIB, this market structure, the retest of the triangle. This is really the area I'm getting really interested in this. As long as the euro can stay above the US like this, but with a weak dollar like it is, I don't think that'll be a difficult task for the euro. Although it's very neutral, the euro on its own, but looking against the dollar is definitely much stronger. So I'm interested in taking some longs here. In the Aussie CAD, pretty much the same scenario. Aussie CAD, very strong Aussie, very weak CAD. So I want to be long Aussie CAD. On a retest here at this support level, the flag pattern did break, did retest sort of, wasn't that clear, but I'm still interested in it. I didn't do anything here, I'm not long here, but I would like to buy something in here. That's why I keep it on my list for today. In the Nasdaq, the same as the other two US markets setups, also very nice swing for 61%. This is actually the 78% swing. I can actually extend it back down, yes, no problem. But doesn't matter really. This market structure coming here on a weak dollar, I want to look for longs here, and it seems like we could get some form of a consolidation. So if we don't get this here, we can do the break and the retest. So I will see if we can get something like that for argument's sake. But remember, I don't have to have all three the US market. I just have to pick the best of the three in the US markets and take that one. Like we had on the US 500, we had the long and we exited at a slight profit on Friday on the live stream yet again, guys. You can always see what I do on the live stream. Then on the US yen, it's a funny one. It's stalled here a little bit in mid-air, which was a bit of a surprise to me. I am after that level, so I'll still wait at the 61%. US yen, fairly bearish on the dollar here against the yen, but yen also not that strong, and I think that's why we battle a bit. But if we get there, I'll get interested. I'll see in the manner it goes up, and then on the reversal, I will then look for some shorts. In the New Zealand Swiss, all good. I like this one. Triangle, see the triangle. The retest is the cross, the 50 to 61 trade zone there, and the market structure coming in there. So there's multiple reasons for me, if it gets there, that I would get interested in buying here. My favorite trade idea for today is a potential long on the Aussie US dollar. But first, please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any specific educational videos for you. Also, if you are new to this channel, find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my daily trade ideas. Now, on the Aussie US, you see Aussie very strong, US very weak. So it's basically the strongest currency against the weakest currency paired up, and then I need a retracement, which is slightly unlikely for today. So it's a bit unfair calling it my favorite trade setup for today. But if I'm lucky enough that it does come back, I will really be interested here at this market structure, falling trend line, the 50 to 61% trade zone here, the retest with a very good relative strength. So that's why it's my favorite setup for today, but I'll wait for the retest and then some pattern reversals. But trading isn't just about my insights only, guys. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.